This is the DJI Lito X1. Small, affordable, beginner-friendly, and somehow still very good. So here's exactly what it's like. It's time to have our first flight with the DJI Lito X1. It does 4K up to 60 frames per second. In slow motion, it can do 100 frames per second. D-Log M. Yaw smoothness is at 40. Expo is, you can see here, pitch roll 0.25, yaw 0.15, up down 0.28. Gimbal speed is at 15 degrees per second and tilt smoothness is at 25. That will give you the smooth, beautiful gimbal moves. Capturing wise, I use manual settings. I dial in my white balance manually. D-Log M, because I want to get more out of the image. ISO, keep it as low as possible, and shutter speed. In the perfect scenario, you would add ND filters. Grid plus diagonals helps you to guide your composition. As we can see, the cherry blossom trees are blossoming right now. It's the perfect time of spring, and we are getting some beautiful views here. Nice. This drone feels great. It's actually quite very windy today, so it's holding up pretty well. I think I have set my shutter speed a bit too high because it's a bit too dark. I think I can push the shadows in post, but I think it looks great. Wow. It's amazing what you can get these days for the monies. This is a really great time to be a drone pilot. Start your journey, because this is amazing. And the other model, well, it has a bit smaller sensor, but it's pretty much the same drone, except for it doesn't have the LiDAR sensors. And well, those will help with forward sensing stuff. And how does the image look? I think it should look pretty amazing. Look at this wheel. Amazing. And those grid plus diagonals help us to have this perfectly centered. Yeah, Riga in the background. Beautiful spring evening. Amazing. What else can we see here? I think our next stop will be the library, because I want to see how well it does with the architectural details. Here right now, it's doing great. Those buildings in the background over there. And the wonderful thing about these lightweight drones is that they're so small, and people really don't care about them. It's a toy, it's not loud, and it really isn't loud. It's very friendly. It's a friendly drone. It does not intimidate people, which is great. It's just what you need. Wonderful. Okay, let's maybe take some photos. I did feel that it was fighting wind, but the wind is strong today. Held up pretty well. For what this is, beginners will love it. It's safe. It has all these sensors. I think DJI has done a really great job here. And well, we will see how the footage looks.
you already saw. I think it's gonna look great. See you in the next video.